A memory journey is a place for you to sort abstract concepts into more concrete places, like places you already know.
The Appledore Vaults are my mind palace. You know about mind palaces, don't you, Sherlock? How to store information so you never forget it. By picturing it. I just sit here, I close my eyes, and down I go to my vaults. I can go anywhere inside my vault. My memories.
So what exactly is a mind or a memory palace? And how do you use it? So even Sherlock is afraid. Well, at its simplest level, it's about attaching memorable images to names, numbers, or information you need to remember, and then storing those images in some place like a palace, or any building, really, you can imagine walking through when you want to retrieve it. Now, let's say you're visiting London, and you need to remember the first 3 stops on the Victoria Underground. You simply add an image to each of them. So Brixton becomes a ton of bricks, and Stockwell, shelves stocked full with food. And Vauxhall could be Vox, an opera singer, singing an opera in a concert hall. Now, if you're cramming for exams or you're a memory contestant, you create a more complex system, where you assign every number, for example, a letter, which then translates into a word you can remember. And you can create words from 2 numbers, or 3, or even 4. Let's say you want to remember the year 1240. Now, 1 is a T, 2 an N, 4 an R, and 0 an X. TNRX. Turnrex. The year 1240 suddenly becomes a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
When you describe it, it sounds so difficult, and it's so much easier done than said. But when you have like a strong association or feeling about every single set of 3 digits, it all becomes alive. 1 is a T, 1 is also an E,
and 2 is an N. So 112 would be 10. That could be the Tin Man from The Wizard of Oz, because it's just easier to remember one memorable character rather than a group of numbers.